Welcome to Neighborhood Science, presented by the Los Angeles Public Library. In this activity, we will be learning about controlling pesky mosquitoes and mapping their habitats. While some mosquitoes have a long history in California, two particularly troublesome species have been introduced and spread rapidly since 2010. These are the Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, or more commonly known as the yellow fever mosquito and the Asian tiger mosquito. These mosquitoes can be recognized by their black and white stripes. Unlike other California species, these mosquitoes feed during the day and often bite humans repeatedly during a single feeding. They are an invasive species, introduced to California through human activity. An invasive species is a non-native animal or plant that can cause harm to the environment, to humans, or to other animals and plants. Both of these non-native species have the potential to transmit human viruses, including West Nile virus, dengue, and Zika. Considered an invasive nuisance species, it is in our best interest to eliminate these mosquitoes from our cities. This can only be done by understanding and eliminating the habitats in which these mosquitoes live and breed. Our first course of action is to use NASA's Globe Observer app by selecting the Mosquito Habitat Mapper tool. This allows us to record water habitats in which mosquitoes lay their eggs, as well as observing any visible mosquito larvae present in the water. We will then be prompted to prevent any possible breeding by eliminating the stagnant water and any container which might catch water. By eliminating any possibility for standing water, we remove the ability of mosquito populations to grow. We can also prevent the growth of invasive mosquito populations by creating DIY mosquito traps. By using a recycled bottle, fine mesh netting, a rubber band, and a small amount of fish food to attract the mosquitoes into the trap. Begin by having an adult cut a recycled bottle in half horizontally after removing the cap and label wrapping. Place a few pinches of fish food into the bottom half of the bottle. This is what attracts the mosquitoes to lay their eggs. Wrap the spout of the top half of the bottle with mesh and secure it with rubber bands. Place the top half of the bottle inside of the bottom half with the spout facing inward and tape the two halves together. You can wrap the trap with a dark cloth or paper to make it more appealing to mosquitoes. Make sure you can remove it to make your observations. Pour warm water into the trap, about halfway between the nozzle and the bottom, and place your trap outside in a dark area. There are tutorial videos provided for both constructing your trap and collecting larvae samples using the Neighborhood Science Kit. If you find this project interesting, you may also be interested in the career path of an entomologist, a bug scientist, or the path of a vector control technician. By participating in this effort, we become part of the solution in protecting our environments from invasive species and making the outdoors more comfortable for ourselves and others.